Kamusta? Nababo, kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga. We are helping small businesses promote yung kanilang mga maliit na pinagkakakitaan sa ating Where in Pampanga community. At tinutulungan po natin business ngayon ay ang Wakspola Samgyup. So you can check out them on their fan page. Sometimes nag-crave tayo sa mga samgyupsal. Although available po yung mga cooked samgyupsal and mga to-go, most of the time gusto natin talagang tayo yung nagluluto. Do it yourself sa bahay. On our table, dinadahan po tayo ng mga meat natin dyan. Of course, we have the beef, we have the pork, we also have our lettuce, may mga kimchi, and meron din tayong lettuce salad. So sa mga side dishes natin, available dyan ang tangbay ku kimchi, baby potato, or gamja jorim, Korean vegetable salad, or ito yung sangju jochori. Sangju jochori. Fish cake, which is odeng. Meron din tayong cube radish kimchi or yung kakdugi. Ayan o. And then meron din tayong spring onion salad. Siyempre guys, hindi mawawala sa video natin ang taste testing ng mga products nila. Again, if you are interested to buy samgyupsal products to this business, ito po ang Wakspola Samgyup. There you go. And then this is the onion spring. Oh wow, onion spring. Samgyang paste. Actually, medyo mainit pa talaga to. At napapaso ko kanina pa. Anyway, we're gonna taste it. Comment number 1. The meat is so fresh. Wala siyang parang aftertaste na amoy. And then what I love about the paste, so well balanced yung mga flavor niya. It's a bit sour, it's a bit sweet, and at the same time hindi overpower yung spiciness niya. So let's add this garlic here. So, kayo guys, ano na yung mga samgyupsal restaurant na namimiss nyo? So, comment them below. However, kung kaya mo naman mag-samgyupsal or do it yourself sa bahay, might as well check out Wakspola. Oh wow, I like it. I really like it. So let's get another piece of our meat here. And guys, grabe. I like to put in 2. Dapat nilalagay natin. There you go. Natin dyan. For, to taste. Sa palagay ko, ito rin yung nagpasarap kanina. Annyeonghaseyo. So, isa rin sa mga na-miss ko sa mga Korean restaurant, eh yung mga authentic ramyun noodles natin dyan. Okay, so let's put in. Lalagyan nyo. Alright. So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching our video for today. We would also like to thank Wakspola Samgyup for sponsoring this video. Guys, if you're looking for samgyupsal products, yung mga ginigrill, mga side dishes, mga lettuce natin dyan, make sure to check out their fan page or call this number to get more information or for orders and deliveries. So thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next video, God bless guys and stay safe, stay at home.